is one of the secret ingredients for you to be a successful affiliate marketer? Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator Marketing, and welcome to our channel where we give you honest reviews, tips and training so that you can be a successful affiliate marketer. So what is affiliate marketing in a nutshell? Well, basically it is where you have found an audience or a niche that has got a problem, and you've also found the solution for this problem, and it's usually created by somebody else, like a vendor. They've created either a product or a service and are willing to give you a commission for any sales you drive to them. Now these commissions can be anything from 2% all the way up to even 100%. So that is fantastic. So what is the secret ingredient for you to be a successful affiliate marketer? Well, it's about creating content. Yes, affiliate marketing is all about creating content so that the audience or the niche knows that there is now a solution to their problem. Now this content can either be blog posts or social media posts, or it can be videos, or it can be a sales copy or a bridge page or a lead magnet. It can be an email as well. But it takes time to actually create that content, and if you really struggle with writing or you get writer's block, then you need a solution. Well, I've actually got that solution for you, and it is created for you by Borrowman, who is my mentor, and he has created a rapid implementation course, basically a course that you can quickly and easily consume the information and then be going out there and creating your own blog post. And this course is called Automatic Prolific Content Creation, but it's on a flash sale which starts today, the 10th of January 2012 at 3 p.m. GMT time or 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this flash sale ends on the 12th of January 2022 on Wednesday at 3 p.m. GMT time. So what is this about? This is about watching Philip create a 1,500 word article in less than 35 minutes. And yes, his writing is terrible. So in this course, Philip actually shows you the tool that he uses to help him actually create this content quickly. And yes, he is writing some of it himself. So it's a 10-part micro course designed for fast implementation. You don't need to pay anybody for outsourcing. There's no expensive software needed, and it works in any niche. Now, this is not about a software magically doing everything for you, because any of those generators usually spin out rubbish that makes absolutely no sense, and this isn't it. This is a method to actually accelerate your content creation 100-fold, even if you struggle at writing. And like me, I suffer terribly from writer's block. I can't stand a blank page with that cursor blinking at me. So this course is $14.99. But if you already have taken action online, which is again Philip's own membership area, you actually have access to this already, and I'll show you where you can get it from. And if you don't know what taking action online is, go and check out my review. It's in the top right hand corner. But if you're interested in getting this specific course and you haven't already got taking action online and you don't want taking action online, the link will be down in the description. So what does this actually look like? Well, this is the course here, and you've got a mini introduction where Philip walks you exactly through. Then here are the 10 different models. It's the creation process, the tool that he actually uses to help him create. It doesn't fully create, it just helps him to create the outline and start actually writing everything there. So there is an explosive word count, finishing touches and reverse hack, and then you can check him out when he's writing his 1.5 words in 35 minutes. And he does actually show it you in a different niche, so the making money online for the first part, and then he does it for the making money online for the second part. Then there's the multi-purpose hacks, there's the common sense, and then there's the SEO boot camp, which is all about creating a search engine optimization for your blog posts or your website. So that is really great information, and you get all of that for $14.99. Now there is an upgrade with this, and what the upgrade is a $1 3-day trial to go and check out taking action online yourself, and you'll be able to see what you actually get. And if you want to check out the video where I've done a full walkthrough, go and check it out from the top right hand corner. And you don't have to get it just to get that course. So let me show you if you've already got Taking Action Online. So once you've logged in, you'll see that the community feed is there, and to get to your rapid implementation, you actually click on there and that will take you straight to the rapid implementation. Now you'll see that there are 2 courses there, this being volume 2, and that's the one there, and the other one, Simple Income Accelerator, and you get access to both of those courses being a member of Taking Action Online. So like I said, this is not a walkthrough for that, it's more of an information about rapid implementation, and it's all about automatically creating prolific content creation. So if you're interested in grabbing your course, the link will be down in the description. Remember, it's only for a short period of time. It goes away on the 12th of January at 3 p.m. GMT time. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscription button. And if you haven't checked out the Taking Action Online review, go and check that out now.